Every once in a while, something changes, and she's changing me. It's too late for me now, I am altered. There is something beneath. She's not acid or alkaline, caught between black and white, not quite either day or night. She's perfectly misaligned. I'm caught up in her design and how it connects to mine. I see it a different light, the object of my desire. Oh, let's talk about chemistry, 'cause I'm dying to melt through to the heart of her molecules, till the particles part like holy. If anything, she's an undiscovered element, either born in hell or heaven sent. Either way, I'm into it. She's not acid nor alkaline, caught between black and white, not quite either day or night. She's perfectly misaligned. I'm caught up in her design and how it connects to mine. I see it a different light, the object of my desire. Not acid, no alkaline, caught between black and white, not quite either day or night. She's perfectly misaligned. I'm caught up in her design and how it connects to mine. I see it a different light, the object of my desire.